Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Saturday. It is beaming in Charlotte. It is 90 degrees today, so it's hot. When I say hot, it is hot. And we are in for a treat today because it is summertime and my showing assistant is back on duty. Say hi to the camera, baby. Hi. Told you, she's back to work. Today I want to show you guys a brand new community here in Mayhill. I haven't heard much about this community because that's how new this community is. Very private. It's 5 minutes off I-485. It's being built by Empire Builder. I did a video before. If you check one of my videos, you'll see they are building in Harrisburg in Gardenia Garden, and they are back in Mayhill building a beautiful, when I say beautiful, a beautiful community here in Mayhill. So without keep you guys waiting for long, I am going to turn the camera around and show you this community. Okay, so come on. And here we are. Check this out. Now, before we go in and show you this beautiful floor plan, let me show you two things, okay? Two things why this is a must see or a must consider community here in Mayhill. Number one, let me do a quick drive around the community just to showcase the community and some of the homes in the community. And two, let me drive around the area just to show you how peaceful this area is. And if you're looking for somewhere tranquil, somewhere so-called an escape, do not miss out on this community. So let me turn the camera around. A lot of space in between, a lot of land. You got full brick here. Everything's somewhat custom in this community. So what do you think of this community there?
I like it.
What do you like about it?
Like you said, like peaceful.
Is that it?
Yeah.
What else?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you want to show what do you want to show them today? What are you looking forward to seeing in this house? Alright, let's look around. Let's drive around the area. So this is me driving out of the community. As you can see, nothing but privacy. Here's a community right behind it. It's one that has been established for a while. Older, all brick community. And if you can see, that is the entrance to the new community, but the road is blocked, so we will have to turn around. So we are driving back to the community now. Hey there, say hi to the camera. Tell them what you're going to be showing them today. Okay. You want to show them this house? Okay guys, come on. So as I mentioned to you guys, there's two reasons why I love this community already. One, very private, and two, all the homes somewhat look custom. We're about to tour one of the model here in front of us, and if you stick around, I'll give you some more information about this home. Give me a call if you're interested, 704-904-5152. Either myself or my showing assistant here will come and help. So come on, stay tuned and let's go take a look at this home. So for those of you who have an adult kid, aka or in-law staying with you, check out this full bedroom here with the full bath downstairs. So this is the entrance. Here's your garage coming in. You have your mud room. You have your half bath here. And you have a full bedroom downstairs. So full bath. A closet. Now before we go outside to check out the backyard, let's go upstairs and see. So if you like it so far, let me just give you a quick recap. This one here has a bedroom downstairs with a full bath. You have 2 bedroom upstairs with a jack and jill, a bonus room, and a primary bedroom upstairs. Okay, so what that give you? That give you 4 bedroom, a bonus room, and you have 3 full bath and a half. Okay, so now let's go upstairs. Let me turn the camera and just showcase these stairs. Just show you around a little bit. Now that we're here, come on, look, hot dog. You can walk over here and then just greet your guests. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome home. The hallway. So right after you come upstairs, your first bedroom is right here. Closet. And a full bedroom. Then you can walk in through a jack and jill bath. Yeah. Your second bedroom. And a double door closet. So we're going back out. And here's where we come up the stairs. Here's the first bedroom. You can go ahead, baby. Yeah. Here's the second bedroom. Then you have your laundry room. The bonus room. I mean, look how big this bonus room is. You can have a sitting area here. Now on to the primary, where all the magic happened. So come on, let's look. Ta-da! Grand entrance. Look at that. Look how big this is. One thing I wanted to point out about this house here, all the window, the sunlight. Come on, look at this. His and her. Let me tell you guys something about this his and her that I'm not happy about, okay? Let me point something out to you. Check out the his and look at the hers. Let me show you the his first. His, you see where we are? And look at hers. Keeps on going. Look at hers. And look at his. That is just not fair. But anyway, let's go back to the video and show you this one. This is your primary bath. The tub. You have your shower. your toilet. I don't know about you, but for me, what do you think, baby? This is, she said magical. What did you say it was? It is funny to me. It's beautiful, okay? So if you like it and you want more information, give me a call, 704-904-5152. They only have 86 lots in this community, 19 of them sold. You don't have a lot of time left. They just opened the community. Yes, if you were one looking for a basement, they do have basement lot 2 coming. So come on, let me just turn the camera around and show you guys again. Let me just look at this. Look at the attention to detail, the features. I mean, everything about this home is to die for. It's clean, all the windows, it's bright, it's inviting. I mean, everything about this home, I just love it. And before we leave, let me show you the backyard real quick. As I mentioned to you, there are 2 reasons why I love this community so much. One, it is very, very private, where everything around here is just private. Everybody's so private. The neighborhood behind was established for a while, all brick home. 2, you have a good sized land. Come on, let's take a look. So you have it covered. Now just look at that. Just look how big it is. How far away your next door neighbor is. Of the option again for up there. And look how nice this is. You like that? It'd be nice for marshmallow. Again, guys, you don't want to wait on this community. Oak Creek by Empire, I mean, they were above and beyond on this community, okay? They have 86 or 87 lot in this community, 19 of them sold. They do have basement lot as well too. So, and we are in Men here. When I live here, I'll give you a tour and show you around. We are only 5 minutes for I-45 exit 41, which is Albemarle Road exit. Soon you get up the exit, there's a new public that they just built right down the street. Everything is literally within 5 minutes away. Yeah, you are still somewhere peaceful, tranquil, and have that privacy. So you don't want to miss out on this community. So give me a call if you want some information about this community. 704-904-5152. Let's go back out and we'll do a quick drive around the community and show you a little bit about the community before we head out of here. It's Saturday, so I got to take the kid to go do something. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. So we just left the community and here we are on the main road. So it is 202. Let me just show you around real quick. Okay, it's right there. You're back on the main road. You go a few blocks, you're back in civilization. So there's a lot of new stuff coming in this area. Literally, everything around here is within the last year or 2 years. That's been built. Yeah, this Taco Bell is new, fairly new. I would say about a year ago. The McDonald's. Yeah, they probably just opened.
I think
last week.
No, it was Wednesday, I think.
Wednesday, yeah. So here's the new public that just opened up last week, brand new, just opened last week. Next door to it is a 55 plus community, a very large 55 plus community called Crestwind. It's 2:05 now, so this is within 3 minutes from the community. It's a building. here is the big hospital, the Mayhill New Hospital. Right there. Here's the highway. Oh, there's the Mayhill Police, FYI. I'm glad I have my seatbelt on. So here's the highway. So just to recap, within 4 minutes, we passed the new public that they just built. In fact, they just opened the door last week. Crestwind, the 55 plus community here. The highway, the I-45, and Nova Hill, Mayhill is right there too. So you are within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes away from everything. And downtown Mayhill is only 15 minutes away. So you don't want to miss out on this community. Give me a call, 704-904-5152. Send me a comment. More than happy to answer any question you may have. If you want more information, I'll go by and talk to the rep and get you guys more information. They only have 87 lots, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Yes, they do have basement lots as well too. So if you are looking to move and looking to move into Mayhill, this is a must-look community here in Mayhill. So until then, we'll see you guys next week. It's Saturday, so let me take the kid and let's go find something to do. All right, peace out.